useful if you are comfortable with the English language. If you are still having trouble with English, build up your confidence with the language first, and then work through this book. How to use this book. The material in cracking the TOEFL IBTI is provided to help students of all levels achieve higher scores on the test. Ideally, all students should work through the sections of the book in the order in which they are presented. Even students who are fairly comfortable speaking, reading, and writing in English will benefit from the information in the Core Concepts section Part 2. Of course, if you feel that you have a strong grasp of the material, you are free to skip ahead to the cracking section Part 3 to start working on TOEFL questions. If you find you are not progressing as you'd hoped, return to Part 2 and work through it first. The best way to prepare for the TOEFL is to practice as much as possible, and this book gives you the chance to work through more than 200 sample questions. However, to get maximum value from this book, you must use the strategies and techniques we present. Many of these strategies will feel awkward or inefficient at first, but trust us, they do work. Can I really improve my score? Yes. Doing well on the TOEFL is a skill, and as with any skill, it can be learned. This book provides the tools necessary to do better on the TOEFL, but it is up to you to apply them. Work through the book at a comfortable pace. Take time to understand the strategies and techniques and use them. Look back at the questions you've answered, both the ones you answered correctly and the ones you answered incorrectly. Figure out what your strengths and weaknesses are on the test. Many test takers find that if they fail to use the strategies we offer, their scores don't change. However, test takers who do master our techniques and strategies will improve their scores. Stages of learning a new language. While you have progressed through at least some of these stages already, it's important to recognize where you are in the process of learning a new language in order to maximize your preparation for the TOEFL. We map out these stages named stages 1 through 5 on the next page.